and we can
Okay,
make
why not?
conversation. Yeah.
So I'm proper audible, ma'am.
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
I can.
So firstly, we are meeting first time, so I would love to know about you.
About me?
Yes.
Okay. So, yeah, I'm actually a textile designer by profession. I started my journey, my career as a textile designer, and the way the situation progressed, and I had to move away from this because I could not devote much time at work. I live in a big family. I have a joint family to take care of. So I moved from designing into education. So started, I did a course and then initially started teaching younger children, kindergarten and grade one. So that's it. So I've been into teaching for almost 8, 9 years, and more very recently, since last year, I've not been, teaching in a school.
Okay.
Yeah,
And what did you say about your native place? I forget.
I'm in Bangalore. I live in
Bangalore. It's a too much expensive place, I
Bangalore.
consider. Yeah.
Absolutely. I agree.
Yeah, that's wonderful, ma'am. Really.
What about
So,
you? May I know something about you, like in a shell, if you can just tell me?
yeah, of course, why not?
Yes.
So, this is Chandan. I live in Bihar state, and professionally, I'm a teacher in a primary school. Nowadays,
Nice.
I'm working on my communication skill. I'm connecting with people on daily basis and as well as tutors like you and others so that I can improve
Wonderful.
myself. Yeah, that's all about me.
Very nice. So nice to connect with you, Chandan. Happy to know that you are in the similar profession, teaching. Yeah. Okay. So, would you like to discuss anything specific? Anything you want to share?
Yeah, of course, I would love to discuss one topics
Mm-hmm.
I have categorized regarding a spoken English. Nowadays, people are suffering a lot due to, lack of, communication and lack of vocabularies, right? They're
Right.
unable to articulate a statement, I mean sentence, with the grammars correctly. So, what suggestion would you like to give all the learners who really want to become proficient in this language?
In the language. Yeah. So, first things first, obviously, we have to keep listening again and again, as we listen, and then we should speak. Because the thing is, when it comes to grammar, we may like plural and singular is very important. When are we talking about any one person, object, use that in the correct place. And plural is obviously more than one. Anything that is more than one, what will be the word for that? Like child. I mean, there are a lot of people when we say it's one child and many is children. There is no word called children's. If it is more than one child, it is called children. So it can be two children or 10 children or 20 children. It will remain children,
Yeah,
right?
this is a
So
plural form. I
yes, it is plural form. So we need to be very sure as to, which word, how is it pronounced when it is in a singular form, in its singular level, and what is it called when it is in plural, and stick to that. So, because when it comes to speaking, I think all these things make a lot of difference. It's just very small details, but they will make a lot of difference, lot of a big impact on when we speak. So, singular, plural, then your tenses. When you're speaking in present, it has to be, it can be present continuous also. So,
Mhm.
I am still doing because it is still happening. So, I am doing, I did it, it's already done. It's
Okay,
part. Yeah.
I have one question. I have one
Hmm.
doubt because I
Yes. Yeah.
always, getting, confused.
Hmm.
Like, if I really want to mention continuous tense, right?
Right.
Continuous, I mean, process. So in
Yes.
that situation, I can use I am going, yeah, I have been going.
So even past continuous is also there. It's present continuous is also there. Future continuous, like, he will be living there. He will be
Hmm.
living in that house. So he will be is obviously for future, and he will continue to live in that house for whatever number of years. We don't
Yeah,
know for
you're
how
right.
many,
But I mean to
right?
say, like, I'm just want to get the,
Yeah.
conclusions. Like, is this okay to say I'm going? Yeah, I have been going. Both things I'm
I
talking about.
am going is you're
Yeah,
going now.
yeah.
I
I
have
have
been
been
going
going
is past continuous. You
past
have been
continuous.
going to some place. Like suppose one restaurant is there close to your
Hmm.
house. Okay, so I have been going to any name of the restaurant, say Haldiram's. Okay, let's take a
Mm-hmm.
name, Haldiram's. Okay, I've
Okay.
been going to Haldiram's for the last 10 years. So you are saying that you have been going to that
No,
restaurant
I
for last so
supposed
many
to.
years.
supposed to I'm using in present situation? Like
I
I'm
am
doing, yeah, I
doing.
have been doing. Both are correct, yeah.
No,
No.
in present tense, it will be I am doing.
Okay, I
I
can't use
have
have
been,
been.
no, have been doing it is, it's not present continuous. Or I have been living here is, I mean, you lived there and you're still continuing to live there. So it's going
Okay,
on from past, but it is a continuous thing.
okay. I think past and present they are
Hmm.
connected. They are just
Yeah, the continuous bit seems to make it look connected, but there'll be
yeah
slight
connected.
difference. Yeah,
Yeah,
I had been going, I have been going, but that has happened. Okay, so you're telling that you
mm,
did that in the past and you're still doing it.
the
Same
same.
thing.
In that
So,
aspect, I can
yeah,
use
I
have been.
am eating. Yeah, I eat and I am eating.
But I'm talking about this present situation. I am
Yes,
eating
present. Now.
this time. I'm having. I mean,
Yes,
but if
yes.
if I want to mention related, I mean connected past and present.
Hmm.
In that
Yes, I
situation, I
have
can
been.
use have been.
Yeah, I have been
Right.
eating oranges for, from the time I was 5 years old, like that. Yeah, so it's a continuous thing.
Okay, and I have
Yeah.
other confusions in that situation. Like mostly the
Yes.
people, you know, by emphasizing any particular, I mean, things, right? In that situation,
Mm-hmm.
they always use will
Hmm.
have to, and other aspect you have to or will have to. But the both, I mean, models will reveal the same word, same.
Yeah, modal auxiliaries. Yeah, I will have to
Yeah,
do it is like there is no option. You have to do that. When you say I will, you may do it, you may not do it. I will
yeah.
do it. I'll see if I can. It may be possible, it may not be possible. But you have to do it is like, someone is imposing on you. There is no other option but to do that.
So in aspect, I can say both things. I can use like will have to
Depending
do.
on
Yeah, you
situation.
have to do the
Yeah,
same.
same thing. But depending on the situation, is it like a mandatory thing or is it optional?
Not okay,
Yeah.
optional.
So basis the
Yeah,
situation, if you're writing some sentences, writing about something, then you can take a call. If it has to be done, then you will say, I have to do this, or I will have
I
to.
will have to do this. Like
Yeah. I
particularly overall, I have to emphasize that particular things like I have to do.
Yes. Then you say,
I
I
have to do.
have to go now. You'll just say, I have to go now. Like, I have to go. I'm
Yeah,
telling you
yeah.
now, Chandan. So I'm saying, I have a class. I have to go now. I have to leave, which means it is a mandatory event, right?
Yes. So in that
So,
situation, I can use must as well. I think I must do this.
yeah, I must go now.
I must
I
go now.
must.
They will also define the same situations.
Yes. Or you say, if you're giving someone the chance, you say, you may please leave. You are giving that person the option. They may not
Yeah, even
leave. That's,
I will use like would. You would
yeah,
provide.
yes, requesting, like a sort of a
Requesting,
request. You're asking someone to
may
please
or
leave.
would in
Yes,
that
you
situation.
may please
Okay.
leave. Like, I don't like you in my class. You may please leave from the class, something like that.
So I have another confusion in models like would have been mostly the people I didn't find any person using in their conversation. But whenever I have
Yeah,
been watching web series in
yeah,
American that
have
web
been.
series they often use like if they just want to mention the past activities, so they often use would have been. If you
Could have
would
been.
have been, yeah, do that,
Yeah, if
do
you,
that.
then the answer would have been something different. If you would have paid more attention, you would have secured 100%, like
No,
that.
I know I know would have
Okay,
done. I'm
right.
talking about been,
Could
been. Why they
been.
used been, yeah, have ke baad been. Why they used? What is defined?
Uh,
This been
no.
what they are
So
defining.
you would have been, that is, again, it's based on the sentence. The entire sentence will come. It is not necessary that every time been will be there.
Okay.
If you just look at the sentences, ask AI,
Suppose
maybe ask in
I'm talking
ChatGPT.
about, let me tell you the one sentence like, suppose I just want to imagine, okay, I would
Mm-hmm.
have been there. I would
Hmm.
have been there. This
Yeah.
is this
Okay,
is
Chandan, I need to leave. I have another
why?
session, okay? I have another session
But
at 12 o'clock.
we have less time, I think we have done. At least
No,
20
yeah,
minutes we have
because
to
you
do, na?
joined late. You can ask probably, right? You joined late, right? It was
No,
from,
just still before Risit, called me. He said to me like join. That's why I came here.
yeah, exactly. So I have another session at 12. Maybe you can just clarify with them.
Okay,
Yeah,
how
this
much
is
time we
not
have
even,
done now? How much time we have done?
you came like 5 minutes, so it's already 10 minutes now. It was a 15-minute session. So we could do 10 minutes. You were like 10 minutes late. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay. Thanks, Chandan.
let's
Maybe I hope I get to see you again. Thank
Yeah,
you.
we have a lot of questions to raise.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah.